Our company's been running the Blue Cherry system now for something about 4 or 5 years. The system that we had been running was just not a model we wanted to continue. That was a difficult decision. Once that decision was made, we turned around and looked at the various packages that were available in the industry, and Blue Cherry stuck out for a number of reasons. Predominantly, they had a strong management team with a great deal of experience in the apparel industry. They had the largest number of apparel companies that we found that were on their system, and they were based out of New York City. I think early on in the process of choosing Blue Cherry, it became clear that they had the strongest end-to-end solution that could service an apparel business and us in particular. There was clearly strength in certain areas. In our case, we were running a homegrown system, and for that, the cost can be very significant. It's like you're funding your own R&D. So when we looked at the various solutions, they were not only meeting our needs, and in some cases more efficient, but even they saved us a considerable amount of money. Somebody even today, so many years later, with technology changing as quickly as it does, can still look at Blue Cherry and say, this is the best solution for apparel or for my company today. And that's very encouraging, because what we're finding is that the leadership at Blue Cherry is investing in technology and for the needs of their customers as business is evolving and changing. So if we come to them today and say that we have an e-commerce platform that we want to launch, you know, they've invested in that. They'll come out and they'll say they bought a new solution that'll work on iPads, which so many of us have today. So I think it's great to see the dynamics of the organization and the software evolve, and that the crux and foundation of it remain a very strong ERP solution for the various companies that it serves.